Today, we will estimate the annual generation from a solar photovoltaic array. We are told that a 100 kilowatt solar PV array sees 5 peak sun hours per day, and that the system derate factor is 0.8, so we can pick the matching annual output from the 4 listed options. Let me draw a small schematic to keep the situation clear. The sun delivers 5 peak sun hours per day to the array, while the array size tells us how many kilowatts it can produce before accounting for system losses. The annual energy formula multiplies the system size by the peak sun hours, by 365 days, and by the derate factor. We will plug in the numbers now. That is 100 times 5 times 365 times 0.8. When you multiply those numbers, you get 146,000 kilowatt hours per year. The derate factor near 0.8 accounts for inverter losses, wiring losses, soiling, shading, temperature effects, and downtime when the system is offline. So the correct answer is option C, which is 146,000 kilowatt hours per year.